Hey everybody, this is Jeff. I just want to give you a quick review of how to capture a citation in Galileo. So I'm on my results page here, as you can see. And so the first step that you need to do is to click through on the title of the result that you're interested in. Now that's going to bring up the detailed record of the item, and you'll have several options from this page. On the right, the one we are interested in right now is the Cite option under the Tools. So once you click on Cite, it's going to give you various citations. So if we scroll down, we're going to get a basic view of what the APA citation looks like. Now, you can copy and paste this into Word. However, you need to make sure that you paste it without any formatting. Paste it as plain text, because otherwise it's going to, sometimes it'll capture like a green highlight or something like that, and you don't want that in your paper. Also, be careful. I really suggest you use this as an example and a starting point for building your own citation, because one, Galileo makes mistakes. One of the main ways it makes mistakes is in capitalization. You can see that this is the article title when we are citing an APA and academic journal article. The article title should not be in title case, as this is. And here's the journal title: International Journal of Environmental Research and Public Health, and any minor words should not be capitalized in a journal title. So of and should not be capitalized. Otherwise, this is a good start to building out your references in APA format, and it's worth referencing as you go. All right, let me know if you have any questions.